There is a world out there that very few people get to see. I'm Lawrence, the owner of Ultimate Adventures. We take you deep into the heart of the African bush, where the landscape is untamed, the wildlife is free, and every drive tells a different story. From the dusty trails of the savannah to unforgettable encounters with Africa's Big Five, every safari we run is guided by passion, knowledge, and respect for the wild. Whether you're a first-time visitor or seasoned explorer, Ultimate Adventures creates an experience that stays with you long after you've left the bush. Your African adventure is waiting. Come discover it with us.